So in the past 50 years, the scientific information ecosystem has become incredibly fragmented, and it's scaled up by 400%. Meta works on a number of machine learning problems to essentially unite the ecosystem and develop applications that can streamline information delivery to consumers throughout that market. Working with the publishers, Meta consumes the entire scientific corpus within biomedicine to power a literature discovery platform that's being used by researchers at thousands of institutes throughout the world. The idea originally came from work that I was doing as a cancer geneticist, and working with my sister, whose background in software development. We basically combined our experience to build a company that's organizing the world's scientific knowledge.
The problem that a lot of researchers have is keeping up with all of the relevant work that's being done by their colleagues all over the world. So what Meta does is takes all this information in real time and pushes it to the researcher's homepage. So when they come to the office in the morning, they've got all the latest papers, the highest citations, all right in front of them, so they can really quickly survey the landscape of their work. There's really nothing like this in the marketplace. I came from research, so I know the kinds of primitive tools that are out there that people have been using for decades. This is really something totally disruptive.
So we've received $10 million in follow-on investment from VCs and angels in Canada and abroad. And we're using that money to bring the next version of our readership platform to market. Ontario Centres of Excellence has allowed us to create 32 jobs in a number of cities, including Montreal, Toronto, and San Francisco. As we grow into other areas of science as well as patents, we'll expand our technical force in Toronto, as well as open sales offices throughout the eastern seaboard of the US, as well as Europe.
If you think about all the innovation that we're going to need in biomedicine, in energy, and the environment, Meta is really going to become the go-to productivity tool for researchers to stay on top of their field and push for those new innovations that the world needs.
I think I provide an example of a scientist entrepreneur who's pursuing a problem outside of the research ecosystem to bring a solution to market that affects millions of people.